Exercise 4.1. Which of the following are the factors of 90? So here you are going to find the factors of 90. So let us try it. Now 90, we will start with 1. So 190 is a 90. 190 is a 90. 245 is a 90. 330 is a 90. Then 518 is a 90. 615 is a 90. 910 is a 90. Okay, so these are the factors which we got of 90. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, 90. So here are the options given. So what you are going to do, solve this in your textbook itself and just tick it out. So 9, it is there, yes, it comes in 9 table. 45 twos are yes, 20 no, 90 yes, 11 no, 7 no, 10 yes, 50 no, 1 yes, 13 no. So whatever is coming, that you have to tick mark like this. So 9, 45, 90, 10 and 1. So this all table it is coming. So this all are the factors of 90. Similarly, question number 2. Which of the following are the multiples of 5? So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and it goes on. So you know divisibility test of 5. It should be, the unit place should be 0 or 5. So check out here. The unit place, if it is 0 or 5, then it is yes, otherwise no. So yes, 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 and yes. So this all numbers are coming in multiples of 5 because in its unit place there is 5 or 0. Now question number 3, write two factors for each of the following numbers. So this all numbers you have to write two factors of each. So 6, you know 2 3s are 6. So which two factors came? 2 and 3. Then 50. 5 tens are 50. So 5 and 10. 105. If you will divide it with 3, then also it will work. If you will divide it with 5, then also it will work. So you can write any two factors. 1 is also the factor of every number. And the same number is also the factor. Like 1 6 are 6. So 1 and 6 both can come. So if you don't want to divide it, you can directly write the number and the 1. These two factors will come. Similarly 91. So 1 into 91. So 1 and 91. So two factors of each you have to write. So this way you can write 1 and 6, 1 and 50. So this way in your textbook itself you have to write. Question number 4. Write two multiples for each of the following numbers. Here you have to write the two multiples for each. So you have to write the table. 2's table if you will write 2 and 4, 13, 13 and 26. 27, 27 ones are 27 and 54. Like this you are going to write it here only. So 2 and 4, 13 and 26, 27 and 54. This way you have to solve this. Question number 5. Write all the prime numbers between 50 and 100. So that is given in your book itself, 50 and 100. Here this table you can see on page number 37. So from this you can take out the prime numbers which is crossed, that are composite number, which are not crossed, that all are prime numbers. Okay. Now question number 6. Which of the following pairs are co-prime numbers? So let us understand that. So what are co-prime numbers, students? Co-prime means which is having only one common factor. So here 6 and 8 is given. If you will find the factors of 6, which will come? 6 factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. While the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So now if you will check the factors, here how many common factors are there? 1 and this 2, right? So here two numbers are there which are common. So these are not co-prime number. So they are not co-prime number. Similarly, let us take second one, that is 9 and 10. 9 and 10. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. So here which is the common factor? Only 1. So yes, this is co-prime factors. So this, if you want to do, you do this in rough work, and directly here you have to do like this. Just you have to tick mark which are the co-prime numbers. Okay. Then question number 7. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? So this just now we have understood in the video. Let us solve any one question out of this. We will solve this. Okay, fifth one, the hardest one. Let us solve it. Okay, so in divisibility test of 9, what we are going to do? Even numbers and odd numbers we are going to add. So let us start with odd numbers. So 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6. And now even numbers, 2 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, so this are at even places and this are at odd places. Now let us add these numbers. 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. And here 10. So if you subtract this, what you are getting? You are getting 16. So is the 16 divisible by 9? No. So this is not divisible by 9. This you have to do in your notebook. And question number 5 also you will be doing it in your notebook. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 you will do it in your textbook itself, while question 5 and all other you will be doing in your notebook. Now divisibility test of 6. Here you will check both divisibility test of 2 also and divisibility test of 3 also. If both the test works, means it is divisible by 6. Okay, let us solve this fourth one, 1950. Okay, here first we will check the divisibility test of 2. It is very easy. It is a even number, so yes, it is divisible by 2. For divisibility test of 3, what you are going to do? You will add these numbers. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. So 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 0, that is 15. So yes, 15 comes in 3's test and 0 is even number. So for 2 also it is possible. So both the test it passed. So yes, this number is divisible by 6. Okay, this way you are going to do question number 8. Now question number 9 is of divisibility test of 7. In divisibility test of 7, what we were doing, students? We were taking out the last number. So let us take out the 0 out. Double it. So 0 into 2, that is 0 only. So which number remain? 367. So you have to check this. This is also the big number. Let us take out 7 outside. So 7 2s are 14. 36 minus 14, if you will do, what you will get? 22. So 22 is not coming in 7's table, right? Not divisible by 7. So this number is also not divisible by 7. Clear? Now question number 10 and prime factorization number we will be understanding in next video.